YouTube world, this is Chicken Whisperer. Before I'm gonna let them out today, I looked in the coop. I see one egg right there, and there's an Americana back there sitting on 3 eggs. Boy, since they've been getting out always, and they're not out yet, boy, are they vocal. Well, I'm gonna let them out and feed and water them and collect their eggs. You know, when they're out, it doesn't look like I got so many birds, but when they're in here, oh boy, I got way too many birds. But I'm gonna still keep adding to them. Boy, you can't even walk in here. Oh, shush. Boy, I gotta fill up their container with food and everything. Boy, they going to town on this. Already got 4 eggs for today? Yes. I've only got 2 roosters in here. That's good. But is that one a light brown right there? The one behind that one. Is that a rooster? I don't know. Only time will tell. If it is, it's going to be an 18-pound bird. All the littler ones, are getting along with them all. Because they're not so little anymore. Letting them out and foraging for their own gives them extra protein with bugs and stuff. And they're really putting on the weight. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, world. Thanks and peace out.